Okay.
Hirap na hirap eh.
Instead na doon siya, ano. So, ang tendency nito, kapag yun ang ginamit niya, yun, makakagat niya yung laman ng side.
Ate, sabi mo yung dulo. Maybe you cut my flesh.
Habibti. You see how? What I'm doing? This here. Because if you will start from here, you will cut the flesh.
Sabihin mo tayo yung dulo.
Yeah,
The
the
end.
ends.
You need
The
to use.
ends. This one you need from here. So when you cut